So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing a question and answer video for my YouTube channel. I thought it was a good idea because a lot of people on my social media have been asking me stuff about myself, and I was like, why not make a YouTube video so I could better explain who I am, and you guys will get to know me more. And some of the questions, I won't be able to answer all the questions because it was a lot of questions, but I picked a few questions that I think were suitable. Some questions were kind of personal, so I put those ones aside. But anyways, let's get into the video because I'm also going somewhere else when I'm done. But I was in the mood to do this video, so I was like, why not do it now before I go wherever I'm going and whatever. So let's just jump right into the video. So the first question somebody asked was, what is your real name? My Instagram account is Just Call Me Jody, and my name is actually Jody, for those of you who were not sure. But my name is actually Jody. Somebody else says, how old are you? How old do I look? All right, I'm 34. For those of you who are curious, I'm actually 34 years old. Somebody said, what month were you born in? I was born in the month of November. Yeah, I'm a Scorpio, and I feel like Scorpios are the best thing ever. Well, everybody feels like their sign is the best thing ever. Somebody said, where are you from originally? I'm from Jamaica, the best part of the world. But yeah, I'm from the Caribbean. I'm from Jamaica. I grew up in St. Catherine. I'm from Portmore. I'm from Jamaica. Where do you live now? I live in Connecticut. Of course, I'm not going to tell you guys exactly where in Connecticut, but I live in CT, guys. I did not put the questions in order. I just chose some questions and I'm just answering the questions as is, guys. So I hope that it will help you guys to know me a bit better. Somebody says, are you single? No, I'm not single. I'm married. Okay. Somebody said, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is Jamaican food, to be honest. And my favorite Jamaican food is stew peas. Maybe if you're from another country or race, you might not be familiar, but yeah. My favorite Jamaican food is stew peas. I also like ackee and sawfish. I love fish. I love oxtail and rice and peas. I love jerk chicken. I love jerk pork. I have a lot of foods that I like, but my favorite food is stew peas. That's Jamaican food. Since I've moved to America, I've been trying other foods, to be honest, and I kind of like other stuff, but I'm still toying with the idea of trying different cuisines, and I don't know, maybe as time goes by I'll probably, maybe something else might be my favorite food, who knows. So I don't know. Somebody said, what is your favorite thing to do? To be honest, I'm somewhat a loner. I spend most of my time alone. My favorite thing to do is I don't know, but to be honest, my favorite thing to do is just to vibe with myself. It might sound weird, but it is. But I browse social media a lot. I'm not really a TV person, but I have my moods. I love watching Snap, Facial Attractions and stuff like that. I love mystery. I love a good Lifetime movie. I love watching movies. I'm not really a TV person, but when I'm in the mood, I like to watch a good Lifetime movie, mystery, and stuff like that. I'm currently at home every day, so sometimes I'll go for a walk, I'll go exercise, but that's basically what I do now okay, well, I wash, I cook, I clean because, of course, like I said, I'm married, so I got stuff to do. Maybe as time goes by, I'll probably try other stuff. Like I said, I moved here from Jamaica. I'm still not familiar with the place somewhat. I'm still learning, I'm still transitioning. So as time goes by, I'm sure I'll be doing other stuff. So yeah, like that's my favorite thing to do for now. Put it that way. Somebody said, what are your aspirations? To be honest, I'm passionate a lot about a lot of stuff, so I have a lot of aspirations. But for now, I would say my aspiration is, my main dream and aspiration is to own my own business. That's one of the things I'm most focused on right now. I'm very fixated on owning my own business in the near future. I'm planning to go back to school to get some stuff done, and then we can take it from there, because to be honest, I'm the kind of person that I want to get a lot of stuff done, but then I'll feel like it's too much and then I procrastinate. So I'm also learning to be patient and taking stuff one day at a time, so then I'll probably better be able to get the things done that I want to do. So yeah, sometimes my mind is a little bit all over the place now, so yeah, but my main thing is I want to own my own business. I love cosmetology. I think I would want to have my own store. I love the feel of business, so if I was supposed to do a 9 to 5, it would have to be in that kind of feel or area. But my main thing is I'm looking forward to owning my own business. Somebody says, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. Yeah, people who know me well knows that my favorite color is red, but the funny thing about that is I don't have a lot of red stuff. I don't have a lot of red clothes, but my favorite color is red. Weird, but yeah, don't ask me. My favorite color is red. I'm now starting to like aqua, mustard, burgundy, but my favorite color is red. Where would your dream destination be? Where would your dream destination be? Currently, my dream destination, I have a lot of dream destinations, but at the moment, I would say my dream destination is Paris, but I really want to go to Mexico, because I know going to Paris might be far-fetched for now. I really want to go to Mexico. I really want to go to Aruba. I really want to go to Las Vegas, because I've never been there before. Like I said, obviously I'm from Jamaica, so I'm new to a lot of things. I've never done a lot of things before, and yeah, I'm actually planning to go to Mexico sometime this year, hopefully for my birthday, or Aruba, but my dream destination is actually Paris. Somebody says, do you have kids? Yeah, I have one son. My son is 15 years old. Yep, I have a kid. I have a 15-year-old boy. He's 15 years old. Maybe, just maybe, further on in the channel, I might introduce you to my son. I'm not sure. Just maybe. Do you ever, somebody said, do you ever had a near-death experience? I've had the flu before, and I felt like I was literally dying. No joke. Like, it was a really bad flu. And yeah, I had another incident while I was in Jamaica where I was almost attacked. Yeah, I felt like it was a near-death experience as well. Well, it was, but don't like talking about it, so I'm not going to go into details with that. But I think everybody in their life have had a near-death experience at some point in their life. Like, yeah. Those were the questions that I chose, because like I said, it was a lot of questions, and I know that I wouldn't have the time to go through all of that. But I'm thinking, is there anything else I would want to add to the mix? Oh, somebody said, I think I wrote it here. Somebody said, have you been to the US before now? Yes, I've been to the US. I've been traveling to the US since I was like, I think it was 10 or 11 years old. So I've been here, multiple times, but I just finally moved over because I got married to an American citizen. So yes, I've been visiting before, so I'm kind of familiar with the place. But I've never lived here before, so of course it's a whole different situation. So yes, I've been traveling here before for a few years. Is there anything else I would want to add? I think maybe because I'm in a hurry, I'm not thinking, or maybe I'm just nervous. I don't know. But what else do I think I would want to tell you guys about myself though? But then at the end of the day, you guys can always reach out to me if you want to know anything else about me, and I'll be sure to answer you once I feel like it's not too personal. Okay? Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching my channel again, guys, and I'm Jody, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, I've had two previous channels before, but I've never been consistent with YouTube. But this time around, I'm in a better environment, I'm in a better space, and I have more time to do so. So I promise you guys that I will definitely be on top of my channel this time. So for now, peace. I'm out. Bye bye.